What's up, everybody? It's Big Rock TV, and I'm back with another Razr Fold video. All right. Now, in my last video, I showed you this case from Caseless out of Vero Beach, Florida, and this is a full body armored case here. I believe this one was called the Axis. And it has the nice kickstand and everything. All right, and it twirls. It's pretty nice. But what I will show you, something that I discovered after the video, is this. Let me bring in my Pixel charger here. So wireless charger, right? You put this on, nothing. And then it flashes like it's gonna work. If you can see, like, it's doing a flash like it wants to work. If you can see up here, it's showing like it. You see the flash that it's doing? You see that? It does that. But the issue is it's the ring that's on the back. Now, if I had like a MagSafe, the ring that you put on, like the Pixel one that you can put on here, that would probably work. That would probably work just fine. But being on the case and then you having this little bit of a protruding area here, it's kind of not working correctly. Now, let me put my Pixel. This is my Pixel 10 Pro XL. We'll put that on there. Let's see if that does anything. As you can see, it's charging. No issues. All right, even though the phone's off, you can see that it is charging, it is working. It's showing 89% right now. All right, works perfectly fine. And that's with a Pataki case on the back. So we got to see here, man. I got a new case in, and this is from the good folks over at Komodoty. And if you recall, you'll know that I worked with them before on a OnePlus Open case. I bought one initially, and then there was another one that came out that was more protective for the OnePlus Open. So now they've released a case for the Razr Fold. So we're going to check this out. Of course, this is recycled kind of. It says it's not plastic, 100% biodegradable, and put me in with your food scraps. This plastic here, or not plastic, it's not plastic. In my previous life, I was corn, that's what it says. So every item purchased has also planted a tree. All right, thank you for your help in making a difference. So one tree has been planted off of this. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. Let's see if I can rip it open. Nope, frustration levels were beginning soon as I started. So let's go ahead and just use the box cutter here and get into it. Go down there. All right, that should be good. Open her up. That was in fact not good, but I think we're good. I think I'm in there. Okay, got that off. Put that to the side, and here is the box. All right, Komodoty, nice on the bottom there. That's different. I don't remember that on the unboxing previously. But let's go ahead and slide this out. Nice presentation. Nice box. Giggity. And we'll go ahead and open that. Okay, thank you. Your order plants one tree. Unbox our eco-friendly packaging. It's a corn bag. All right, compost me, box, recycle me, paper wrap, recycle me 2, box lid, recycle me 3. All right, so you can recycle all this stuff. And then the case will be in here. All right, and here it is. So this would be for your front. This little frame here will be for your front. And then this is for the rear. Okay, and as you can see, it does have the compatibility with the MagSafe charging. You can see the ring there on the back. All right. And then a little bit of razivity around where the camera cutouts would be. And then this right here is your stickers that you would put on the inside here to help keep the phone on the edge there. All right. So let's go ahead and try it out. We'll go ahead and take this one off. All right. One advantage that I see so far, this has a screen protector on it. I like the privacy screen protector on this one. Not that I'm comparing, but there is no screen protector here. And so far, this isn't a commodity issue. This is a Motorola kind of issue. There's not very many screen protectors, or none that are from like a trustworthy source. So I do like that there was the screen protector on that one, but it's going to be all good. We'll take that off, put that to the side. Let me get out of this app. All right, here is my Razr Fold in the nude, raw as it came out of the box. All right, nothing on it. Beautiful phone, man. Very beautiful phone. As I said before, it's a device that I just want to use raw, no protection. All right, but let me go ahead and put this on. This is the commodity case. We'll go ahead and slide that in. And man, that feels great. It feels like nothing's on it. That feels good. All right, and here's the front piece. Back in the day when I had other phones similar like this, I didn't really use this front piece, but I'm gonna go ahead and slide it on here, see how it is. It's very thin. All right, man, that is very thin, like very slim. Very slim profile on there. That's very nice, and it's super thin, man. Goodness gracious. You'll have to use the sticker on the front for sure. You have to. Because it feels like it's sliding because it's so thin on the border there. But this feels like nothing. This feels like nothing on here. Super slim profile. It doesn't add very much bulk. Let me hold it with my pinky at the bottom there. Okay, so it's kind of rounded. Oh, almost fumbled. It's kind of rounded at the bottom here, so it's not uncomfortable when you have your pinky resting there. All right, you're not gonna feel so uncomfortable right there. Sometimes you have these cases that they're not cut properly, so as you have them, you know, you're using your phone here, you're resting your hand, your pinky finger over there. It's uncomfortable. It'll leave a mark. It'll be like bruising you up and stuff. But this one, it feels comfortable there. I ain't mad at that. Then let me open it up. Let me open it up. Any pinching on my fingers? No pinching on the fingers on the back. Let me see if I can show you from here. No pinching on the fingers. I like that. I like that. So let's look at the cutouts. Your microphone cutouts there at the top. Then you got your speaker grill here. On your side, that's your AI button. There's a cutout for that. For your volume up and down, cut out. Power button, cut out. On the bottom, another microphone. This is for your charger. And then you have your speakers. Okay? And that's pretty much the gist of this case. On the back, this is where your camera bar is, your camera section. And there is some razivity so that you don't destroy your phone if you put it down there on the back. All right, so they do got you covered there with the protection. So let's check out, let's bring in the charger. Boom. Got the charger in here now. So let's see how this does on this particular case. Boom. Instant turbo power, as you can see. There's nothing that is blocking it from charging. And then let me get you a little closer. As you can see here at the top, it's still charging. It's still charging there at the top. So success on that. Of course, if you were to just plug it directly in, let me take this out. If you just put a USB-C in and boom, turbo power connected. So it'll charge nice and fine there. I didn't mean to unlock it. It's fast, but it's charging now, charging rapidly, as you can see. If you were just to take it out, let me do it like this. Take this out here, see if it'll show the animation. Yep, you see that turbo power? So that's good. But this case is better for your wireless charging. It's definitely better for wireless charging there. I mean, let me set it up correctly, but boom. Turbo power. Because there's nothing on the back that is blocking the charging. So if you got a wireless charger and you like to use that, you would want something like this. You want a case like this. All right. Nice and thin, comfortable in hand. Typically, not gonna lie to you guys, typically this is my style of case. This is the kind of the case that I like, as you can see with the Pataka on my Pixel 10 Pro XL. I like these thin kind of cases that feel like they're barely there. I like this. And now there's one on the Razr Fold. One thing though I can see is I'm gonna have to let me do it now. Let me do it now before I let you all go. Let me take this on here now. All right, got the tape off, and now I'm gonna go back here on the side, put it back on, and let me lay it down, run my finger along the side here, and now we're sticking. Now we're sticking. So if I move, let me move the charger out the way. If I move around now, I'm not hitting the side of this and bumping the edge of the case off. I'm not bumping the case off now. So that's better. Make sure if you get this case that you actually take that sticker off and lay it down, because that makes a world of a difference on the side there. You don't want to keep accidentally hitting that and then it'll slide off the front plate. Okay? But beyond that, I think this one is a go. It would be cool, honestly, if there was like I do like having a kickstand like that. I do like that here. But there's trade-offs that you got to make, man. There's trade-offs that you got to make. For your wireless charging, if you like that and you prefer to use the wireless charging, you're going to need something like this without that kickstand ring there. If you prefer something thin that feels like it's barely there and very comfortable in your hand, you're going to want to go with the Komodoty case, because this one is a winner. This is a winner. Komodoty Motorola Razr Fold. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description on where you can find this one. Hey, it's future editor Ralph. Listen, I just contacted Komodoty and they gave me a code to give to you all, Big Ralph TV, for 10% off of this case. So if you're interested in that, make sure you head over to their website and at checkout use code Big Ralph TV for 10% off. All right, but that's gonna do it for this. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.